You're not ugly. You're just terrible at posing. And after this video, you won't be. Here's something nobody tells you. Every time you look in a mirror, you're seeing a flipped version of your face. The left and right are swapped. Your brain has memorized that version of you. So when you see a photo, something feels off. You look like a stranger. That's not ugliness. That's just the mirror effect. And then there's problem 2. When a camera points at you, your brain short circuits. You freeze. You throw up a peace sign. That's a practice problem. And practice is fixable. Professional models aren't born photogenic. They practice posing until it becomes muscle memory. Women tend to look better in selfies because society has had them practicing since age 12. Most guys have had 0 reps. This video is your first rep. Before we get into specific poses, there's one rule that changes everything. Your hands. Idle hands kill photos. In every great photo of a guy, his hands are doing something, holding something, resting somewhere, pointing somewhere. The moment your hands are just hanging there, the photo looks wrong. So every pose we cover today, watch the hands first. Men photograph best when they look like they're in the middle of doing something, like the photo was taken by accident. Think, I am a person living my life, and someone happened to capture this. The moment it looks intentional, it looks awkward. The walk away. You're mid-stride, maybe glancing back slightly. One hand is in motion. This is probably the easiest natural movement pose to pull off and works in almost any outdoor or urban setting. Try it with a slight head turn. Don't look directly at the camera. You're glancing down, at your phone, at the ground, at something in your hands. Eyes off the camera gives it an editorial feel. This one is great for close-up face shots because the angle is naturally flattering. It defines the jaw and hides double chins. The side glance. You're looking to the side like something just caught your attention. Body angled about 45 degrees from the camera, weight shifted onto one leg. This is your cheat code. It instantly makes photos look unposed even when they're completely staged. Sitting poses are actually underrated. When done right, they're relaxed, confident, and versatile. 3 rules. 1. Have something interesting behind you. 2. Do something with your hands. Hold a drink, rest an arm on your knee, lean forward slightly. 3. Don't sit straight on to the camera. Angle your body. Pick 2 standing poses and 1 sitting pose from this video. Go practice them in front of a mirror. But the guys who do this are the ones who stop looking like they're being photographed against their will. You'll feel ridiculous for about 3 minutes, and then it'll click. That's when muscle memory starts forming. Pinterest is also genuinely one of the best resources for finding poses to add to your rotation. Start with 3, nail those, then add more. We post practical stuff like this every week. If this was useful, subscribe. See you next time.